Tamara, this is a really nice neighborhood.
Yeah, it's real quiet.
Yeah, it is. Nice family area.
That's good.
Tamara also helped the emails secure financing that has allowed them to begin looking at homes in a neighborhood that they previously thought they could never afford.
And the area is so nice. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 bath. This is your living room.
This home seems promising as it meets the email's minimum requirements of 3 bedrooms and 2 baths.
It's got a nice fireplace.
Okay, you guys, this is one of the bedrooms.
Where's the closet?
Oh, the closet is over here.
Oh. Oh, Tamara, this is kind of small.
Ooh.
For me and Rod, this is small.
Okay. Well, let's look in the other bedrooms because you have 3 rooms and maybe you have more space to accommodate you in the other rooms.
Okay.
Okay, you guys, this is the other bedroom, the middle, the smallest of the 3.
It's pretty small.
It's real small.
And again, the closet.
We're looking for that guest bedroom / office. And I don't know if we can set a bed and a desk in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, it's kind of small.
All right, well, let's see
I like the layout
bedroom.
of the house kind of though.
Okay, this is the kitchen.
It's small.
Yeah. I'm not even in the kitchen as much as her, but this is kind of small.
The whole house is a little bit small for you guys.
Yeah, pretty
Not
much.
enough closet space. Okay, all right.
This early in their search, Michelle and Rod aren't willing to compromise on what they want, and Tamara assures them that their perfect house is out there.
Great neighborhood.
So the following weekend, the trio hits the streets again, confident that every house they see will bring them closer to their goal.
If the inside looks like the exterior, we might have something here.
Yeah, this is a nice house. Okay, Michelle.
Wow.
You have a nice isolated living room here.
Nice.
Wow. This
like
is
this.
much different from anything that we've seen.
I'm digging this. I'm digging
You
this.
like this, Rod?
Yeah.
Good. I did good.
You did
Okay, let's go look at the next room.
Okay.
Okay, Rod and Michelle, this is the room that I was telling you guys could be your formal dining room or a family room. You have a nice fireplace here.
It's nice.
I think it's a nice room. Isn't this a great kitchen?
Wow.
New cabinet.
This is nice.
This is really, really nice.
Nice built-ins. And here, Rod and Michelle, you have your laundry area for your washer and dryer. We got cabinet space over the top of the washer and dryer.
Yes, that's what we're looking for, Tamara. Space, convenience to the washer dryer too. That's cool. This is nice.
And everything's built in. That's so wonderful.
Yeah, you have the dishwasher, your oven, and your stove.
That's great.
Bathroom.
Oh, the bathroom's nice.
This is real nice.
The one drawback with this house is that it has only one bathroom, but it's a beautiful bathroom.
It's beautiful. I like the tile. I like the mirror, but
We need another one.
we just need another one like it.
Yeah.
As they look at more and more homes, Rod and Michelle will begin to distinguish between conveniences and essentials. In this case, 2 bathrooms are a definite essential.
Okay, Rod and Michelle, so what did you guys think about that one?
It was nice.
But we need 2 bathrooms. But this place is very much in the ballpark of what we need.
The emails realize that the more familiar Tamara becomes with their needs, the faster she can find them the perfect house. So in an effort to fine-tune their search, Michelle and Rod extend a dinner invitation to their realtor and new friend. Seeing Michelle and Rod's current home for herself will give Tamara a better idea about their likes and dislikes.
So, Michelle, why don't you show me around so I can see the size of your bedrooms now and the size of your furniture, and that'll kind of help me when I'm looking for places for you.
Okay, come this way. And Tamara, this is our bathroom.
Okay.
This is our lovely hallway. See, I have a lot of closets.
Okay.
Okay, the place is small, but it has a lot of closets and cabinets.
Right.
Okay. And Tamara, this is my living room / exercise room / library / actually it's just a multi-purpose room. We do just about everything in here. Okay.
So it sounds to me, Michelle, like you need 3 or 4 rooms.
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely. This is our bedroom.
Bedroom / office, I see.
Yes, you see all the computer equipment in the file cabinet.
Right.
It's just a real small space, so we put a lot into. You ready to eat?
Sure.
Come on, let's go get something to eat.
Sitting down to dinner gives Tamara, Rod, and Michelle a chance to relax and enjoy themselves. But it also gives Rod and Michelle an added opportunity to clarify their priorities for Tamara and even for themselves.
You know, another issue was you guys want to move in condition.
Yes.
That was willing.
Yes.
Because I'm not a handyman.
But you know what? We're willing to put in carpet, a little bit of carpet. And we want to have a nice sized backyard, so maybe we could put a swing in there for Maya.
Right. Okay.
Nice dog. I want dogs.
No, not dogs.
We'll talk.
No.
Sometimes a first house can't have every item on the buyer's wish list. Tamara's job is to help Michelle and Rod decide what their priorities are.
You know what we really need to look for is an upgraded kitchen, decent bathrooms, and then something that you guys would just have to maybe paint and put carpet in. So
Or take up some carpet and have the floors revarnished and that kind of stuff.
They end the evening more convinced than ever that they're on the right track.
I myself was kind of disappointed in some of the things we were seeing in the beginning before we met you. But now we're there.
After a rocky start, the emails are making headway with their new realtor, Tamara Thomas. The young family is now convinced that their perfect home is just around the bend.
All right.
I really think you guys are going to like this house.
Today, Tamara is showing the family a home she thinks is perfect for them. The house just went on the market yesterday, so Michelle and Rod and their young daughter Maya are the first people to get a tour.
Oh, Michelle, look at the hardwood floors.
Oh, yeah, they're nice, Tamara. Wow. And the fireplace. This is nice.
Starting off pretty well here.
Yeah, did you like it?
Wow.
So far. How's the rest of the house?
It's a big room, too, yeah.
And here you have a formal dining room. And again, Michelle, the hardwood floors.
That's nice.
We could put a 6-chair table in here.
Yeah, fit in here nicely. Okay, come on, let's go into the kitchen. Oh, you have a nice kitchen, Michelle. Yeah, new cabinets.
Okay, but we'll
nice.
come right back. It's nice cabinets. And it has a dishwasher. That's cool.
Yeah.
Are you okay out there?
While her parents continue their tour, Maya investigates the most important aspect of the house, the backyard play area.
Oh, Michelle, this is a really nice room. Yeah, look at this window.
Oh, yeah, that would be nice
man.
to put a window seat there.
I could put
Yeah, this is nice. Beautiful hardwood floors. They don't even need to be done over.
Okay, there's 3 bedrooms with a family room, and it has 1,873 square feet. So it's really a nice sized house, and all the bedrooms are going to be nice sized too.
Yeah, you know, Tamara, we're still a little worried though about being on a busy street.
Yeah, but you notice you were right here by this window, and you can't hear any noise, any traffic.
Yeah, it is minimal.
Yeah,
I like the size of the house. I like the size of the room.
All right, let's walk around and finish looking. Because as far as Maya, you could always, she could play in the backyard. She won't be playing on the front anyway.
That's true. That's true. She likes playing in the backyard.
Here's one of the 3 bathrooms, Michelle.
3?
Oh, 3 bathrooms. This is nice. Yeah, Maya can take her bath in there.
A separate shower stall, bathtub.
Wow. Yeah, I like that.
Bathroom.
You know,
With
blue's
the
my
original
favorite
tile.
color.
Oh, yeah, I'm liking
It's a
that.
nice bathroom.
I like that.
One of 3.
Oh, look at this bedroom.
Wow. This is nice.
Man.
Oh my God, the vaulted ceiling. Wow, look at the closets.
Man.
Wow, big closets. Oh, this is so cool.
Closet space. This is the type of closet space we've been looking for,
I know
Tam.
you guys said you want closet space.
Yes.
There's plenty of it. And you have his in her closet. They're separate closets.
This is a winter, Tamara. We like this one.
You like this one? No. What about the street, the busy street?
I think
Well, back here, you can't hear it.
I think this kind of makes up for the busy
This
street.
makes up for the busy street. Oh my God, look at those windows.
All that closet space and the vaulted ceilings are great, but Rod has had his eye on this loft since he first walked in the room.
Hey, baby, you like it up there?
Oh, yes.
That'll be a great space for your office.
Perfect. It's mine. Squatter's rights.
Oh, look, Rod, you can see the backyard from this room.
Yeah. A nice breeze coming through on a nice day.
This is nice. This is really nice.
Okay, so what do you guys think?
I like it. I like it. I'm still concerned about the
Major street.
major street.
This is the hard part. The house does face a busy thoroughfare, but there are so many things about the home that Rod and Michelle love. The huge master suite, the spacious kitchen, and the 3 bathrooms.
It's a great house, and I really think if you guys are interested and you think you want it, we need to move on it right away. You know what the market's doing right now.
Okay.
Just give us a minute. Let's talk about it.
All right, let me know.
And a minute is all it takes for Michelle and Rod to decide to make an offer on the house, which has everything they need and then some.
This is a really nice house, Tamara.
I like this, Tamara.
Yeah.
Good. I told you, and with it sitting back off the street, you wouldn't even hear the noise from the street.
You don't. I was concerned about it, but this house makes it all worthwhile.
The emails are relieved to finally make an offer on a home they know they'll love. They made an offer, the sellers made a counteroffer, and now, 3 days later, this anxious couple is waiting to see if their final offer has been accepted.
It's me! Here to play! Oh my goodness!
I came over to tell you guys that we got an accepted offer.
We got the house!
Oh
my God, we got the house!
The good news is delivered by the email's realtor, Tamara Thomas, who kept Michelle and Rod from giving up, then helped them search 15 homes, interview 4 different lenders, and negotiate 3 offers before the celebration could begin.
We deserve
Here you
this.
go, Tamara. This is for all your hard work. Here you go, honey.
All my hard
Here
work.
you go.
Give me.
All right.
To our new house.
Yeah, you guys.
After switching realtors, changing neighborhoods, increasing their budget, and nearly giving up entirely, the email family finally got that one perfect home. But before they can enjoy their new house, they must survive moving day. And it's got the whole family involved.
Mom, can I help you?
Yes, you can help me. We have to fold this up.
Even their 5-year-old daughter Maya offers her assistance.
Good job.
And although furniture can be packed up and taken along, neighbors cannot.
Hi there.
Hi, Michelle.
How you doing? Yeah, we're getting ready. We're packing up. These are the last little boxes. Thanks for everything.
You're welcome.
It's been great staying here.
Yeah, us too. We'll see you guys.
Yeah, you'll definitely have to come over. We'll have dinner for you, and you can spend the night too.
Okay.
I'll see you though.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Across town at the new house, things are no less hectic.
The grounds for divorce. I love you.
Yeah, right. Make sure you wipe your feet.
Always. Where does this go?
You didn't label the boxes, did you?
Oh, leave me.
The house is quickly filling up, but all this new space will take some getting used to.
What was that room?
That's the guest room.
We're having guests?
Yeah.
Their first guest arrives sooner than they think.
Who is it?
Who is that?
Tamara.
On your new home.
This is so nice.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
Hello. Rod and Michelle, I want to thank you for letting me represent you in the purchase of your new home. And it's been a pleasure dealing with you. Thanks again, Tamara. Thank you. Thank you very much.
That's sweet.